Bold and boundless, Wesley is the adventurer. The outside is where he feels his best. A scent on the breeze is enough to send him out for exploration. A born predator, Wesley can make anything into prey. He's fast, agile, and sleek. His athletic abilities are unmatched. His best friend is a rubber chameleon stolen from the neighbor's children. Every time we throw it over the fence, he tracks it down and reclaims it. Wesley walks with purpose into the next chapter of his daily odyssey. One with nature, Wesley prepares for another day of adventure. Nervous by nature, Ham is a basement dweller. Here, he can find a safe and quiet spot away from the unpredictable world upstairs. One may stumble upon him when trying to do their daily chores. The one thing that makes him truly happy is laundry. Ham loves having visitors to his basement, and he takes this opportunity to explore. Ham exists in a continual state of surprise. In Ham's mind brews a combination of curiosity and terror. Ham thinks he is being helpful, and maybe he is. Who knows? Then there's Michael. Found on the streets, Michael has adapted well to the indoor cat life. Pampered and warm, Michael enjoys the perks of having an owner. He is complicated. He only cares for one person, Mom. For everyone else, he's less than enthusiastic. Michael may look intimidating, but his voice would say otherwise.